In today's video, I am going to teach you how to run TikTok ads for Shopify. To get started, you will need to make sure you can connect your Shopify store with TikTok. The good news is that this is usually done through a simple app installation inside Shopify, so you do not need to set anything up manually at first. First, open your Shopify admin dashboard. This is where you manage your store settings, products, orders, and apps. If you are not already on the home screen of your Shopify admin, take a moment to find it now because everything you will do next is controlled from there. Next, look for the section that says Apps on Shopify. In most Shopify dashboards, this is located in the left sidebar menu. Click Apps on Shopify so you can browse and install tools that work with your store. This step matters because the apps in this marketplace are designed to integrate smoothly, which makes the setup more reliable. Once you are in the Apps on Shopify area, you will want to search for TikTok. Find the search bar in the marketplace, then type TikTok. As you type, Shopify should begin showing results. The goal here is to find the official or compatible TikTok integration app that allows you to connect your Shopify catalog to TikTok advertising. After you run the search, review the results carefully. You should see app listings related to TikTok. Take a moment to confirm that the app is meant for advertising and integration with TikTok, not just general social posting. This is an important distinction because you are trying to run TikTok ads for your Shopify products. Now install the app you want. In the TikTok search results, click Install on the appropriate TikTok app listing. If you see more than one option, choose the one that best matches your goal of running ads for a Shopify store. Then proceed with the Install button when you are ready. As the installation begins, Shopify may ask for permissions or show a few details about what the app can access. Read through what it asks for, then continue. This step matters because it ensures the TikTok integration can communicate with your store, which is necessary for advertising setup and tracking. Once the app is installed, it will typically take you to a page where you can set up the connection. Depending on the app, you might be asked to log into a TikTok account or authorize the connection between TikTok and your Shopify store. Stay on the setup page and follow the on-screen prompts exactly as they appear. At this point, you have completed the main prerequisite action, which is installing the TikTok app on Shopify. The rest of the advertising flow usually depends on the TikTok setup screens that appear right after installation. So make sure you keep your attention on the page you are on, and do not switch away unless the setup tells you to. If the app provides a way to confirm that the connection is working, look for a status indicator or a confirmation message. This helps you verify that Shopify and TikTok are linked correctly before moving forward with campaign setup. Finally, you are ready to continue with the TikTok ad process from the installed integration. But for the purpose of this tutorial segment, the key steps are already done. You went to Apps on Shopify, searched for TikTok, and installed the TikTok app that will allow your store to connect for advertising. And that is all there is to it. That covers everything you need to know.